How fast can I create a full coloring book from idea to posting on KDP? Well, I'm going to put 20 minutes on the clock, and if I can do this, then you can do this. No excuses. And here's the thing, stick around because step 4 is where most people mess up and waste hours, and I'll show you my shortcuts. So let's go. There are literally 5 easy steps to creating a coloring book with AI. 1, find an in-demand niche. 2, organize your vision. 3, create the pages. 4, create the cover. 5, create the listing. And that's it. And I'm doing all 5 in 20 minutes. Oh, and when this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll give you the exact coloring book that I create today, free in the description down below. So hit the follow button and turn on the notifications so when that happens, you'll be notified. And the clock, it starts now. So step 1, find an in-demand niche. And we're going to check mark this because it's already done. I researched this before filming because I wanted to show you the pure creation speed. And here's what I found. National parks and nature is crushing it with coloring. So this book is going to appeal to travelers, nature lovers, hikers, kids, campers. It has a huge audience and a huge niche potential. ChatGPT can give me 50 most popular national parks. So that's 50 pages in one complete coloring book. So step 1, done. And we're moving on. And here are the 2 examples of nature and national parks coloring book that we're going to use as inspiration. And step 2 is where your book goes from generic to professional, so don't skip this step. Step 2, have a basic idea of what you want the book to look like. If you've researched and took screenshots of the interior pages and the covers that you like, perfect. Now you can upload those to ChatGPT. And remember, these are reference inspirations only, not to copy, to inspire. And I have screenshots ready, so I'm going to upload those now. And I'm going to be sure to tell ChatGPT this and use this prompt. Use this as a reference inspiration only. Do not copy exactly. Now ChatGPT knows the vibe I want. Step 2, done. Step 3 is the bulk of the work, but watch how fast AI makes this. Step 3, create the pages. And here's the exact prompt that I use. Using the attached as reference inspiration, create an 8.5 by 11 inch coloring book page for an adult. Create a National Park vintage postage coloring page for the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Simple, black lines, clean, no background, then you hit submit. And while that generates, let me show you the workflow. 1 park per prompt. Great Smoky Mountains, Yellowstone, Grand Canyon, Yosemite. You have 50 to do, so I'm going to keep it flowing. And to save you some time, I'm going to work through 3 to 4 different parks, and I'm going to speed ahead so you can see the end process. There it is, clean lines, no background, ready. Now I upload these to Canva, format it, and remove any background just in case it's colored in the background. And we're going to do this 3 to 4 more times. Now it's formatted, done. You rinse and repeat for the 50 pages. And I'm going to show you the few so you can see the workflow. 3 to 4 pages, done. And we're going to speed through number 2, and we'll speed through number 3, and now we're going to speed through number 4. There's 4 examples. You take it over to Canva, and you're all set. Now step 4 is the cover, and this is where your book either sells or it sits, so stay with me. So step 4, create the cover. We'll head back into ChatGPT, we'll upload our cover reference screenshots, and here's my prompt. Using the attached as reference inspiration, create an 8.5 by 11 inch coloring book cover, create a National Park vintage coloring book cover, include a small United States map with state lines in the corner, and the text that reads 50 US states, include the title National Park Nature Coloring Book for Adults, and then you hit submit. And we'll do the same thing for the back cover, and we'll change the prompt slightly. Using the attached as reference inspiration, create an 8.5 by 11 inch coloring book back cover, create a National Park vintage poster coloring book back cover, include the coloring pages attached as an inside look example. Use the cover image attached as a style reference to make the back match the front, and keep the bottom left space free of text so that I can include a barcode later on. Now you upload those both to Canva, it'll be one document. That makes our cover and back cover done. Now step 5 is your listing, and most people write boring descriptions. I'm using ChatGPT to write one that actually converts. Step 5, create the listing, and ChatGPT will do all of this too. And here's my prompt. Using the images attached, create a listing for Amazon for this coloring book. Make sure it's packed full of keywords and SEO, but still relatable and appealing. Include keywords from the attached image. And for the title, create an Amazon listing title using the book title, National Park Nature Coloring Book for Adults. Add a brief description of the book with the keywords. Listing, done. But wait, you want your listing to actually convert. Don't forget the A+ content. And guess what? ChatGPT will do that too. Here's the exact prompt I use for lifestyle mockups. Using the attached book images as cover reference, create a realistic mockup of a coloring book being held by a person who would naturally use it. Make the book cover clearly visible, present the scene in a lifestyle setting that feels authentic, polished, and appealing. And then generate. And for the interior mockups, create a realistic mockup of one coloring book page using the attached image. Show the page partially colored in with some areas still blank and include a few coloring tools nearby. Make the scene serene, clear, and easy to view. Now you'll use ChatGPT to write your A+ content text and you're done. Okay, so how much time do we have left? Under 20 minutes, we went from idea to ready to post on KDP. That's how fast this can be. No more excuses, no more I'll start tomorrow. You watch me do it today, under 20 minutes, and now it's your turn. Imagine 30 days from now, you have 5 coloring books live on Amazon and they're selling while you sleep. People are leaving reviews, royalties are hitting your account. This starts today, right here, with this video. An excuse is easier than action. So let's eliminate the excuses together. And remember, when this video hits 1,000 likes, I'm dropping this free coloring book in the description down below. So smash that like button and follow so you don't miss it. And comment below what niche you want to create a coloring book for, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on it. And if you want to see how I find multiple digital products from one idea, you can watch this video here. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.